Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video over here, I'm going to be explaining how much you're looking to pay if you're going to take your BMW to the dealership. By the way, before I go any further, if it is your first time here, hit that like and subscribe button over here, because I love doing videos on bicycles, as well as the BMW maintenance and support, and you'll find it quite useful if you subscribe. Anyways, let me continue with this video, and I hope you find it very useful. So I'm taking you here to the front of the page, and I'm gonna scroll down. First of all, I'm gonna start from the freebies. Believe it or not, at the BMW dealership, there are some freebies, and then at the end over here, I'm gonna point out how much was the labor and how much was the other stuff. So anyways, I took my car, my 6-cylinder BMW, for the oil change over here. So the first thing that they had done over here is that they will check in, open the hood, and they will top up my windshield fluid. So this is 4.5 liter over here of windshield fluid that you see over here. Believe it or not, that's how much windshield fluid they put in there. However, like I said, believe it or not, it's free. Another thing that I just wanted to go over here and top up, if you look over here, any kind of fluid that they top up, such as what's it called, antifreeze, brake fluid, you name it, will be for free. So that's one of the reasons why they put 0 there. I should point out right here. See, there's a 0 there. So the topping up the fluids will be complimentary at the BMW dealership. And if you look at the logo over here, I took my car to the BMW place called Parkview BMW. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to the second freebie over here. If you look over here, 93M BMZ, one wash. Believe it or not, the car wash is free at the BMW dealerships. And what I find fascinating is that they will take out the mats, the rubber mats. They will wash them, and you will get they'll wash out inside. They will vacuum, and they will wash out the car outside thoroughly, which is very nice. So besides the topping up the fluid over here, you do also get the what's it called, one car wash, which is the says right here over here. And then again, just to prove it to you, 0. Again, they didn't charge for the car wash. Now, let's get back on the oil change, where things get a little pricey here. This is the price over here. So this is what I had done. If you look at the unit cost here, it starts with the 14.82. Keep in mind, this is in Canadian dollars. So for you guys in the USA, just deduct about 20%. So the oil filter was $14.82. Now that's the oil filter that they will put in the vehicle when they do the oil, which is very nice. So you know that they're gonna be giving you the oil. The second one that I have over here, if you look, is the parts. So I should say 61 for the oil. So what they will do, they will take 14.82 for the oil filter, and then 61.10 will be for the 6 liters of full synthetic oil, which they will pour in the vehicle. And now I'm gonna go over here and come to the labor, which is gonna be 75. So 75 will be the labor, and when you add the parts all together is 82. So you're looking at about half an hour labor, to be honest, right there, and $82 for the $75 for the parts and 82 for the labor. If you add this up all together, you do get the number of 157.92. However, we are in Canada, so altogether that comes up to about 185. If you look over here what I paid. So I paid about 183 right there. And that's how much I paid. So I hope you find this guys useful. I hope it was very interesting. And that's up to you to make a decision if it's worth it for you. Take care and subscribe again. Bye-bye.